Oh no, Alena, are you okay?
No, not really. I had a really hard chemistry midterm today. I don't think I did too well.
Well, you know what will cheer you up?
What?
There's an SC clubbing fundraiser this Thursday. You should pull up.
Wait, that sounds fun, but I think I'm gonna be busy.
But I can help you with your stuff.
Wait, actually?
Yeah, because if you don't pull up, you're gonna get a lot of FOMO.
No! I don't want FOMO!
No, I don't want FOMO! No! Then we should all go!
what you do. I am such a catch. Throwing your middle. And you maintain. Then take away 2. I ate, I win.